When I'm looking for best AI sales engagement platform, I'm looking for a couple of key things. I'm looking that this platform needs to have intelligent automation and workflow orchestration. I'm looking that this platform has an AI powered personalization, so I can personalize my messages and stuff like that. I'm also looking for predictive analytics and lead scoring so that I can see exactly, my lead scoring, my analytics from leads, conversions, and stuff like that. I'm looking for real-time insights, obviously what's happening in real time, and then multi-channel engagement, like engagement on multiple different platforms. So this is what I'm looking for when it comes to AI sales engagement platform. Now for you, it might be different. Now, one platform that I'm using for this is Appointwise. And Appointwise is essentially an AI appointment setter platform that connects to Go High Level. And if you're not familiar with Go High Level is a CRM and or all-in-one marketing platform, not just CRM, where you can manage your conversations, calendars, contacts, opportunities. So it's like a CRM and also messaging platform. Appointwise, on the other hand, is a platform where we can create this sales engagement, right? So AI appointment setters that will engage with our leads and that will convert our leads into customers via text. So main aim at Appointwise or goal is to convert customers that are coming maybe from Facebook ads or that are coming from, let's say leads that are coming from websites. It goes in and this AI agent, I will show you how to set it up, engages with leads, qualifies the leads, books the call with these leads, and then all the calls come here in the calendar section in the sub account of Go High Level. So essentially you have calendars, and then right here, these are the calendars that they can book the calls to, or Appointwise will book the calls to those calendars. So in this way, this is working hand in hand with Go High Level. So Appointwise cannot work without Go High Level. Go High Level cannot work with Appointwise, right? In this case. So how you can actually set this up, it's quite simple, okay? So you want to first register with Appointwise. We have our links below in the description. You want to integrate this with Go High Level. Now, how you're going to integrate this with Go High Level, click on integrate with Go High Level, and you want to copy the snapshot link right here. You want to paste that snapshot link right here in new tab. Now, make sure that in the new tab, you have logged into your Go High Level like I'm right here, because this will help you to import this snapshot. Now, a snapshot is essentially a template that will connect Appointwise with Go High Level. Okay, so right here, just click Yes, Import Now, and this will import it in your agency view. Go High Level has two different views, agency view, which is this view right here, where you can import to your sub accounts, and then you have a sub account view. So sub account view, once you import your snapshot, this is how it's going to look like. Make sure to create a new sub account based on your business, okay? So here you put your own business. So for example, I can find my business on the maps, and I can click here, and then I can go through this entire thing right here. Obviously, I select if this is my sub account or not. If you're doing this for clients, then it's going to be, this is my client sub account. But again, make sure to do that, add the sub account, and then you want to go and switch to your sub account, which is going to be right here. So I switch to my sub account here, as you can see. And what I need to do is I need to go to settings and I need to go to custom values. And again, I will show you exactly how to set this up. So you have a Appointwise API key and a Appointwise client ID. This is what you're going to see in your sub account. So you go to Appointwise, you copy the API key, you hit OK, and then you go here, edit, and then paste that API key in here, okay? Once you paste this API key in here, click update, and that is going to be it for the API key. You want to do the same for Appointwise client ID, which is right here, okay? Now, once this is done, you hit next, you connect to Go High Level, a screen will open. You will need to select the sub account name, which is this right here. Here you will be able to see your sub account name. Once you do that, you will be able to create your first AI agent. Now, as you can see, I already have one AI agent here. So what I will do is I will delete this one just so I can show you. Again, this is just a sample to show you how you can build one for yourself. Again, this is an AI appointment setter, not a typical agent. So you click here and you go create AI agent. And this will go into the creation part or process of creating an AI agent. Now, as you can see here, you can click for my business or for my clients, depending what you clicked on the sub account. This is going to be for you. By the way, you can have multiple sub accounts here as well. I have only one right now. So you can click for my business. Okay. You can enter your business name. So for example, in this case, it's going to be my business, which is my agency. So I hit continue. I need to add my website. So I'll go here and I copy my website, paste it right here. By the way, here it will ask you for some data about your particular business. So what I do is I go to ChatGPT, I paste my business, not email address, but website, and I say, tell me about my business. And then it will give you the entire structure about your business. As you can see right here, the core mission, everything like that. So you want to copy this and you want to paste it right here. And it doesn't matter if this right here is too much, just hit enter. And then from here, what's your main goal? It will ask you what's your main goal. So for me, it's booking AI appointments or booking appointments with AI. You can also have a custom conversion goal. Again, this can later change in your strategy settings. But click AI books appointments, and now you can select your calendar. Now, this is where Go High Level comes in. You can go to your calendars under settings, under your sub account, and go to your calendars, calendar settings. And then here you will be able to see the calendar name, and you would be able to create new calendar for that specific business that you want to create for. So in this case, if you're creating for local business like car shop, service booking is the best. If you're creating for, let's say, personal one-on-one booking, then this is the best. Okay, so it really depends what you want to do. Again, it's very simple. You click here, you create a calendar, and then you will be able to select one of these calendars right here. Okay, I have 3 of those. I will click first one here or second one. And then you want to choose the post-booking behavior to turn off the follow-ups, because what's happening is in Go High Level, after someone books a call, you can set up a reminder automation or appointment reminder automation for the call. We've done a video on that and how you can set this up, so make sure to check that out as well. But as you can see, we just want to turn off the follow-ups here. And this will go into the creation process of our AI strategy or our AI sales engagement appointment setter. Okay, so this is again going to be very fast. I really like how fast this platform is. Plus, what I was talking about earlier, again, intelligent automation, workflow orchestration, I will show you that in a second. AI-powered personalization is what we just saw. Predictive analytics and lead scoring is what's happening in the analytics section here. So if you go here, but as you can see, our AI agent is done. So let's go here and let me show you exactly how to set this up. So as you can see, we have the 5 different steps. Now, each step is already pre-made for us and created specifically for us. Now, this is one of the most important parts, how this platform works. This platform works with Go High Level. So again, if you want to engage with specific leads, you will need to add these tag to the leads in order for AppointWise to know which leads AppointWise will need to engage with, okay, and qualify them. So this tag, you want to copy this tag, you want to go to your sub account back here, contacts, and you want to add your contacts in here. You will add them by just going to import here. So just click import and you would be able to import a CSV file of the contacts, okay? Once you have your contacts in, this is how it's going to look like right here. So as you can see, I have them right here. These are dummy contacts. So I add tags here and I select a tag and I add my tag here. Now, if you don't have this tag, you can add a plus sign. You will have like a blue plus sign here. So just add that tag right like there or like that. And once that is done, you will be able to connect that to AppointWise, okay? Now, once this is done, you can also edit the prompt right here. Again, this will be depending on what you want to do in disqualification criteria. So all of the things you put here on the right side, like language, typos, will be back in this prompt. So for example, if I put how many typos I want, as you can see, it shows right here. But again, you can kind of go and do this for yourself. Now, one thing that is not set up for you is this right here. So here, what I like to do is initial message delay. I like to put it at 8 seconds. And I like to put response delay at 5 seconds, which is already here. Objection handling, I like to put it at top closer because this is the best possible setting for the best possible outcome with qualification. And when it comes to qualification of your leads, qualification priority 67% and then creativity 50%, because sometimes AI agent will need to be creative in terms of emotional intelligence, or maybe having some other objections that a Pointwise never heard of, right? That can happen sometimes, but usually it works 99% of the time really good. So you hit save, or you hit next actually, and here you have a conversation. So here you can adjust your initial message. Again, this is coming from your contacts from your Go High Level. So it goes right here from your contacts. Qualification questions. So here, as you can see, curious, how are you currently handling your digital marketing and automation? And by the way, for each question, you can add a condition. For example, if this question is answered yes, then do this, right? So if else, you can do those. And then follow-ups are really important. But again, AI agent already created follow-ups for us right here. Again, you can kind of see and recheck everything. Don't just blindly trust AI. Configurations, this should already be predefined for you. You should have a calendar here. If you don't have a calendar here, click again and click on the calendar again. And here you have knowledge, which is a knowledge base. So it's already predefined for us. We can add frequently asked questions if we want. And then we have tasks. Now tasks are really, really good. You can have these default on, which is usually what most businesses will have on. But you can go into these and you can adjust those. So for example, trigger when you agree and confirm a booking slot with a lead. So in this case, when appointment is booked, it will be confirmed, and it will be the follow-ups will be turned off essentially. So that's essentially what you can kind of do here. Again, you can go into each of these steps and you can adjust those steps however you want, like update custom contact field, update standard contact field, turn off auto follow-ups and stuff like that. So this is already kind of, predefined for you, as I said. Now, once this is done, you can hit save and you can test this AI right here. And to test this AI, you will need to have a Go High Level contact ID, which can be found if you go to contacts, and you need to create a dummy contact first to test this out, which is my dummy contact right here. I can click on this and I can go here to my ID. I can copy this and I simply click here and it will paste my ID. Then I can add a message here. Hey, I am interested in AI automations, because this is what my AI appointment setter is all about. And then I go here, select my AI appointment setter, run test, and this will run the test and initialize conversation with my AI appointment setter, as you can see right here. So again, we have a delay as we set up the delay for the message, and we'll see if this is actually working. Yeah, nice, love that. AI automations can seriously boost your growth. If you automate one thing in your business tomorrow, what would you pick first? So it immediately goes into the questioning, which is really great. So as you can see, this is how you can set it up. And then obviously, if you want to launch it, you go get started and launch in Go High Level. So this is pretty much it, right? This is by far for me best AI sales engagement platform currently. And you can also connect it with Go High Level, which is currently one of the most popular softwares for managing leads, CRM, and you can also do automations here, which is quite interesting. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments, comment below. Also, if you want us to build this for you, we can build this for you. Just schedule a call down below. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day.